show you how to check if the configured access list is working or not. This is the switch which is working as a source, and here is a router which is working as a destination. If you check the configuration of the interface, you can see that this is the IP address and an access list is configured on this one. Let's see what is the access list. You can see I have denied 1.1.1.1 as a source. So if you initiate a ping from source, you will see it is not reachable. So the question is how we can check if it is dropping the packet here. So I will tell you multiple methods. So one of them is very simple. What you have to do is just to show run pipe section list. What you have to do, you have to enter here and simply put the keyword log here. Now if you will try to ping this device, it will show you the log like this, and see that it got a hit of total 15 packets. You can confirm via like this. So if you will initiate, let's say 5 packets by default, so on the left on the router you will see that it has increased the 5 matches. It has increased the 5 counters, which means that the packets are getting dropped here. And if you want to check at the platform level, what you need to do is simply run this command, and you can see that there are some drops. Total number of packets it has dropped as of now is 69. You can confirm the same by initiating the packets with the 5 counters. So if you run this command, you will see again that it has incremented to 5 packets now. So with this method, you will only be able to identify if the packets are getting dropped because of any ACL, but you won't be able to see which exact packets are getting dropped. Although this logs explains a lot, if you do not, but what if you do not want to make any configuration changes and debug the same at very hardware level? So what you need to do is some commands, some debug commands. The first command what you are going to enter is this, which is debug platform condition feature ACL control plane ACL, the name of the ACL. You can see that here the name of this ACL which we are going to debug is 10, so we have to put 10 here. Now the second is you have to match the interface name, which is G000 in our case. So put this as an interface. Direction should be both in and out. The third would be the FIA trace, this command, which basically captures 124 packets max. And you can verify the same via this command. Now if you want to review the whole configuration before starting this debug, is when you run this command show debugging, you can see that feature debug has been applied with the name of 10. FIA trace is also enabled. The interface in question here is G00 and the direction is both, so which means that it will capture both in and out packets. Now what you have to do is initiate this debug with the help of this command, debug platform condition start, initiate some ping requests. Now go back here. Once you find that some packets has been hit on this interface and you are good to see if they have been dropped or not, you just have to run stop command. Now let's see more details about the packets. So if you run this command, show platform packet as summary, you can see that there was an input on this interface and the same packet was supposed to be output via this interface, but it got dropped. The reason is IPv4 ACL. And if you want to check more about the packets or the fields in the IPv4 packets, you can run this command. 0 is the packet number, so whatever packet you want to check, you just have to replace this position with that number. Now hit enter. Now you can see that there was an in packet on 000. It was supposed to be out from the same interface, but it got dropped due to this ACL. And the source of the packet was 1.1.1.1 and the destination was the same interface, that would be 192.168.1.1, and the protocol here was ICMP, which we have initiated. And there are some other information which we don't need to check, but as of now this is how we will check if the packet is getting dropped on the interface, or if the ACL is working, or what exact packet has been dropped on that interface, along with the timestamps. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.